Hello dear subscribers, hope you all are doing well. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. As it is said, gaining knowledge is the first step to wisdom. Sharing it is the first step to humanity. So here we upload amazing facts related to technology, psychology, food, animal sports, horror and many other updated facts. Enjoy the facts, also share it with your friends and family. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get timely notifications. Keep supporting. A 2000-year-old tree in South Africa known as Tree of Life. The most expensive ice cream in the world costs $817 per scoop. Saudi Arabia once held a women's rights conference without a single woman attendee. Namibia, where the desert meets the sea. Peanuts aren't technically nuts. Flame lily flower, national flower of Zimbabwe. Ancient Egyptians used dead mice to ease toothaches. The first ever Disneyland ticket ever sold in 1955. Monopoly is the most played board game in the world. It takes 5 different parts of your brain for you to understand and laugh at a joke. Guys, please help me reach 1000 subscribers. This theatre in Paris has shown the movie Life of Pi in floating boats. Sloths have more neck bones than giraffes. One in 25 babies are born with webbed toes and fingers. Your taste buds change every 7 years and then you are very likely to enjoy most of your disliked food. The Cullinan diamond is the largest rough gem quality diamond ever. Sky camping in mountains of Shanghai, China. A man in USA created a dating app where he is the only guy allowed on it. Cano Crystals, the river of 5 colors, is the most beautiful river in the world. It is possible to die from a broken heart. It's called cardiomyopathy. Gas is naturally odorless. The smell is added so people can tell if there's a leak. The gravity was discovered 400 years before Sir Isaac Newton by Bhaskaracharya. Lake Baikal in Russia is the deepest and the oldest lake of the world. Tesla launched Premium Boost Tesla Tequila for $250 on its website. Bananas are curved because they grow towards the sun, a process called negative geotropism. Funky fossil footprints point to ancient crocodiles walking on 2 legs. Kolkata boy Shaurya Ray solves 350-year-old maths problem set by Sir Isaac Newton. The world's oldest surviving diving suit, the Old Gentleman from 1860. Eating your food slowly will help you lose weight, enjoy your food, reduce stress and lead to better digestion. Planetary chocolate sold in Japan. Those having tattoos are prohibited in jobs like IAS, IPS, IRS, IFS, Army, Navy, and Air Force. The mouse potato is a person who spends a lot of time at the computer. Fashion show held in wheat fields with social distancing near Paris. Gustave alligator killed more than 300 humans near Lake Tanganyika, Africa. At the back of Intel sticker, you can see the processor architecture. Prince had a bank vault that held enough unreleased music to put out an album every year for the next century. North Koreans need permission from the government in order to purchase a computer. This is a giant statue of Jesus in Poland that distributes Wi-Fi to nearby towns. Japanese researchers have successfully developed a device that will be able to play back your dreams in video sequence. If you had a 2-foot thick fat on your body, it could stop a 9mm bullet from reaching your internal organs. This is what happens when you increase the contrast on a dollar bill. Pope Francis wore an anime robe when he visited Japan last year and wore it. The first fiberglass body at Porsche weighed just 100 kilograms. Meet the bumblebee bat, the smallest bat on planet Earth. Eiffel Tower designer Gustave Eiffel included a secret apartment for himself near the top. A young boy named Ulrich before and after surgery to fix his backward legs. The world's biggest frog, Goliath frog, can be 34 cm long and weighs over 3.2 kg. This is the art of Brian Lay. He draws in negatives. Dinosaur egg candle that hatches a bunny raptor when it melts. 3 suns appeared in China due to a rare phenomenon, an optical illusion called sundogs. A bridge to nowhere, Norway looks like one big ramp into the water. Sanvi, a 10-year-old girl, made world record for making 33 dishes in 60 minutes. Rare bird is male on one side and female on the other side. Chloroform takes almost 6 to 8 minutes to pass out and not 20 seconds as shown in movies. Photographer Darren Pearson captured this incredible long exposure shoot of lightning striking a tree. Although nearly any body part or item of clothing may be an object, meet Betty Cohen, the founder and creator of Cartoon Network. Thanks for watching. For more such facts, subscribe to our YouTube channel.